said. We know why we're playing. We know who we're playing for. Let's go. Beaver ball on 3. 1, 2, 3. Beaver ball.
It's our time. It's game time. And when we come in, you know what we do, baby. It's another opportunity, man. It's another opportunity right here tonight. Right here tonight. Let's go, Tech. Nothing like Thursday night.
You're good for saying on mission.
You know you got your couple, baby. You already know. Make this our home field. You got me? This our home field. We're taking over tonight. You know, let's go dominate. Look at me. I need to know you're ready. You ready to go? I know you're ready. Let's go. Science on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wrist up. Keep that thing tight. Oh boy. You doing all right?
Hanging in there, you know how it is.
Thursday night, nothing like it, all right? Let's dominate on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dominate.
Man, hey.
NFL, college, high school.
Everybody watching.
Pop Warner.
Everybody watching us tonight, man. So you already know you got to turn up. You got to make a name for yourself tonight. Hey, so remember who you're doing it for each other, and for that man on our sidelines, Coach Beaver. Let's go, fellas. All you got on the field. Let's go, fellas. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Gotta win, play soccer.
That's all that summer work right there. That was summer ball right there.
Great job after we start a little slow. Now, we got to do a good job right now. It looks like to me.
You got these guys on the ropes. I saw you rocking their world a while ago. Let's continue to do that. We'll start back with the first group.
Hey, let's finish this game, man. Let's go. Finish on 3. 1, 2, 3. Finish. That's our game. Exactly. Drew. Hey,
Hey, they plugged every gap there, but yeah.
They're becoming who we thought they were. Because y'all are rocking their world now. You're rocking their world.
Y'all deserve a little of this right here. Thank you, guys. Give me my ball. Thank y'all.
You can't keep that, though.
Hey, and we get that one next week. There's more for you, boys.